Welcome back to the Bad Bug channel, everyone. My name's Evan. Today we are back inside the shop. Going to do a little bit more work on Bad Bug today. Today we're going to be removing the windscreen wiper motor, and then we've got to get the OS grab handle taken out. That should be the last of the things needed. Get everything cleaned out in here. We can get all the wires tied up as we prep this thing for paint. And then on the inside, we should be able to pull the speedometer out. I will probably leave all of these pulls. We can just wrap them with tape when we go to do the painting. And then we're going to try and get this vacuumed out a little bit. There's just so many little crumbs and trash and scraps and crap from, I don't know, 30 years of driving and being in storage. It's been in storage a few times, so we've had mice problems, things like that. I want to show you something really quick that my son got me for Father's Day. Oh yeah, look at that Volkswagen banner hanging up there. Kind of goes along with all the rest of the decorations. Excuse all the stuff. We still have school stuff in here. All right, so I'm going to get you guys set up, and we're going to get to work. So I've already done a little prepping, got the tools that I needed in order to get this OS handle out. There's this little pipe tube right here that runs up for the defrost, and it's hard to get to the bolts because they are right behind this tube. So you know, most of Volkswagen stuff's pretty easy to work on. You know, you always hear about that German engineering, and I just kind of wondered what happened right here, because this is not easy to get to. Almost lost that washer. That wouldn't be good. Right out. I'm gonna have to get a new one of these. So throughout the years, this is just broke off and shrank, and it's all crispy. Before I go too far, pro tip: I did make a wire diagram for this so that I know what wire is going to go in what position for this motor. Those up there for now, because we still have a ways to go before we are ready to send this thing off for paint, and then once that's done, we got to reassemble it. So we've got a while. I just work on this when I have the spare time. cancers. And the nuts back on so I don't lose those. Alright, so we got it all cleaned out. We look pretty good up front. I think I've showed you guys this before, but this one's pretty rusted out. There's a hole right there, there's a hole right there, and then all along here. So this whole pan we'll have to replace. Think I'm going to get this sound deadening material right here picked up, because I can see rust along there, and I just want to make sure that this floor pan is solid, unlike that one. I'll probably peel up the rest of this sound deadening material right in here to make sure that this section's okay. I know I've showed you guys this in the past, but now that all the stuff is cleaned out, I mean, you can really see how much the cancer's taken this back here, and that was simply because of the window seal that was cracked, and anytime it'd rain, water would just come in here and sit. So these whole pans, it's a whole little shelf piece that comes in one thing. I think if this is okay, I am just going to cut out a rectangle and weld in a piece back there, instead of buying the whole thing. It's $300. So by the sweat on my face, and hands are a little dirty, and thanks to all the rust and horsehair stuff, my allergies are starting to kick up. So I think I'm going to call it a day. I got a few bigger scraps that the vacuum wouldn't get, so I'm going to get those out of here. And that's it. So join me next week or next month or whenever my internet's really slow. So loading up movies takes a long time. But I might try to peel away all that sound editing material next time. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching. If you liked this video, please click that like button. Don't forget to share it, tell your buddies. Join in on the tear down to Bad Bug with me. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Bye.